While the average Canadian struggles to rent or buy a home, others have benefited from dramatic price increases. To understand this, we need to look at how governments, large corporations, and even small-scale landlords each play a role in turning housing into an investment. From the 1940s to 1980s, governments directly financed and built hundreds of thousands of affordable homes.
The myth I'd like to dispel is there was this thing called conventional public housing. It existed independently of the rest of the normal real estate market and therefore was problematic. There were elements of the private sector in conventional public housing, and there are elements of public sector support in private sector housing.
In 1993, the federal government downloaded responsibility to lower orders of government. At the same time, federal policy has promoted homeownership since then.
We have developed a financial system that provides heavy rewards to homeowners, whether you're an individual homeowner or you're an investor.
Mortgages were bundled into securities and sold to investors, tying housing finance to global markets. Financialization occurred as real estate investment trusts, or REITs, acquired existing rental apartments. But smaller landlords participate in the same financialized system, reaping record profits as the gap between housing and income grows.
More investor ownership is bad because the research is pretty consistent in showing that these types of owners raise rents more rapidly. They move to evictions more frequently.
Corporate landlords now account for about half of Canada's rental stock, while mom and pop landlords own over a third, leaving just 12% of Canadian renters in non-market housing. Today, housing in Canada is intertwined with investment, shaped by a government-created system that enables both large and small landlords to seek higher profits as housing just grows scarcer. Left to its own devices, the market will continue to treat homes as assets. The path forward lies in building on the system we have, leveraging government funds and private sector know-how to prioritize homes people can afford.
Once we start thinking about those two markets as fundamentally linked to one another, it's to start raising questions about whether we should find new ways to integrate more public investment directly into projects, as well as private investment in housing.
Governments must re-enter the system they helped design by providing land, capital, and regulations that tie financial returns to affordability outcomes.